Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the easiest ever jewelry display stand. So let's get started. So you'll just need a canvas, any size you like. This is 8 by 10 inches and it's from Dollar Tree. And a Stanley knife. You want some paper or fabric. I'm using this velvet fabric that already has adhesive on the back. And some push pins. So I've got some diamond push pins. As long as it sticks out, it's fine. So all you do is just cover that canvas with your chosen fabric or paper. And then I'll show you the next step afterwards. If you're feeling super creative, instead of covering the canvas, you can actually just do a painting or draw a picture, and then that can be the background for your jewelry. Once you've done that, go ahead and stick the push pins in. So I'm just laying them out just to space them out and get an idea of where to place them. If you want it to be really precise, you can use a ruler and just measure out. I'd space them about 1 inch apart, and I'm just pushing them into the wooden frame part of the canvas. So not the fabric part, the wooden frame part. So it's really sturdy. And like I said, you can use any kind of pins you like, as long as they stick out a little bit so that you have enough space to hang your chains. And that's it guys, it's finished. So I'm going to be hanging this on a wall, so I don't need to add anything else to it. If you're standing it up, then you might want to go ahead and add something at the back just to prop it up. But that's it guys. Let me know how you find this if you do make it, and thanks for watching guys. Like and subscribe.